What's up, everybody? Yeah, I was back in the garden again. That's every Friday for me. I come home, feed, water. I go right to that garden. Never knew I would enjoy gardening so much. Getting tomatoes and beans and peppers and stuff like that. I've always heard horror stories about getting beans and having to snap them. I don't know. Doesn't seem too bad to me, and they taste delicious. But after I got done in there, I decided it was time to address something that been needing addressed. An idea of mine that just wasn't really working. And it involves the chickens, of course. Some of you may have noticed inside the coop, I've had a skid inside there. Basically like a roost for them to rest on. I took it out. It was going to be a pain in the butt to reach in, get eggs and stuff like that over that skid. So it's now gone. Flip you around, show you what I improved upon. It's another one of those work with what you got ordeals, or laying around. Yeah, some of them already going in. They've been waiting on me to get out of there. But the entire floor is now open, other than the back. These boards here, they're just sitting there. I can easily take them, push them back, collect eggs, and then slide them right back out for them all to roost on. No stationary thing other than that last one right there. Added some boards up top there by that Rubbermaid tote, because a couple of them do like to use that up there. And then also right in there where you see the hay at, there are a couple of them like to get in there. So I had a couple 2x4s up in there to kind of hold hay back and also give them something to stand on to get in and out easier and stuff. But yeah, short, sweet, and simple. I had these shelf hanging brackets I found just sitting in a cabinet in the house. Wonder if I can use these on this project. Sure enough, I could. And I had enough wood laying around. It all worked out. I had some L brackets for in there, just to help give it a little extra bracing with those things there. This one here, I just screwed to the bottoms of the buckets. That one there is in there tight enough. It ain't going nowhere. And they're already in here scratching away. Go figure. Yep. A lot more easier getting in and out of here. But once again, work with what you got. In my case, what I got laying around. Found some stuff. It's probably been in the house for Lord knows how long. Finally put it to some use. I didn't even remember I had that shelf brackets. They're working now. And so is the wood, some of the wood that I have laying around here in random areas. As you can see, it is hot. I need to get inside, cool off, let these girls do their thing, lay some eggs, scratch some dirt. And I'm kind of whooped. So I wasn't clucking around building this. Don't forget, work with what you got. Later.